Ideation, where creativity starts, where the canvas is still blank, and where the possibilities are endless, but also where things can get a bit chaotic. With so many paths to explore, it's easy to feel lost in the sea of possibilities. But what if there was a way to streamline it all? Welcome to the TikTok Creative Center, designed to make ideating for TikTok a piece of cake. In here you'll find inspiration, trends, education, and creative tools. To further enable creative ideation, we've developed a creative assistant to help you find inspiration, brainstorm ideas, and even write content with you. And since we've launched, we've seen amazing success stories, from finding the inspiration you need, saving time and effort, and creating more effective content. Most importantly, ensuring that you enjoy the wonderful feeling of a blank canvas again.